Take a ride in the 2018 Volvo S90. The Volvo S90 provides style, safety, and reliability all in one. The smooth ride gets you where you need to go in comfort with the interior features many amenities not found in other vehicles. The quality reputation of Volvo is evident in this vehicle. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.